Hey, welcome back. In this lesson, we get introduced to LangGraph. It's a fairly long lesson, so I put together a quiz to help you test your understanding. There's 5 questions in it, and so this should be fun and interesting. Let's get started. Okay, so which programming paradigm does LangGraph align more closely with? Is it object-oriented programming based, or is it functional programming based? So object-oriented programming, as you know, is about building classes, objects, methods. You have encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, ideas like that. And then functional programming is about writing pure functions, no side effects, building systems with composition and so on. So if you're not familiar with these ideas, these paradigms, I suggest you go and study them a little bit. And they're very important for you anyways if you're building AI systems or any software in general. So yeah, come back with the answer. What does LangGraph more closely align with? Okay. Question 2. Flow engineering is a new way of thinking about software design, especially for AI systems. Which framework better fits that approach? Is it LangChain or is it LangGraph? So yeah, this is an important idea, important approach, flow engineering for agentic AI. So I want you to just think about it, study it if you are not familiar with the idea of flow engineering, but it's important as you build agentic AI systems. Okay. All right, LangGraph allows nodes to run in parallel. So how does it avoid conflicts when multiple nodes try to update the same state? So we're going to be building complex workflows, and LangGraph allows you to run nodes concurrently. So this is going to be important for you to understand how does it even work, right? How, if multiple nodes are running in parallel concurrently, they try to update the same state, how do you avoid issues? And so what does LangGraph provide built in with some features, functionality that allows us to handle such situations? Okay, let's say you're building an AI system. This is question 4. And that AI system, you need to pause for human input. Maybe this is a human in the loop system, or maybe the sessions can be done over hours or days. So there's interruptions and resumptions of sessions. What does LangGraph provide to handle such long running or interrupted workflows? What built-in capabilities does it provide that lets you handle such situations? Again, an important thing when you're building agentic systems, and it's useful to know how these things are handled for you automatically. Finally, this is last question. You want to build a customer service chatbot that answers questions about your company's HR policies. The workflow is this: the user sends a question, the system should look up information through some knowledge base, generate an answer, return it to the user. So it's a standard RAG-based system, the kind like you built in module 1. So what does LangGraph provide to help you build such systems over any other framework, right? How does it excel at such applications? So yeah, hope you can answer these questions. Let me give you some hints. Some of these questions are tricky, especially I intentionally made them so. So think about it. If you have doubts, you can get on Discord in our Ready Tensor community and ask of others, share your opinions and see if you can come up with the right answers. So if you know the answers, you get them right, I would say it's time to build agentic systems. I hope you enjoyed this quiz. I'll see you in the next video.